Good afternoon, dear friends. I am going to focus on technical communication and documentation. What is really technical communication? When there is technical communication, why especially we have to say that it is a technical communication? In my feeling, every communication is technical communication. When the child is born, what it is doing? It's crying. That itself is a technical communication to the mother that it has come to the world. It needs milk, something like that. When the child is growing, after some time, it is able to convey something in a particular language where the child is brought up. Same child, when it is brought up in UP, it is speaking in Hindi. Same child, when it is brought up in Karnataka, it is speaking in Kannada language, and so on and so forth. So for every communication, some technical aspect is always involved. So, in general, technical communication, what I would like to say is, a teacher wrote on the board. The teacher said, the student is a fool. The teacher thinks that teacher is very intelligent and the teacher is writing on the board. Teacher said, the student is a fool. An intelligent student, sir, I am your intelligent student. Shall I go to board and put 2 commas? Yes, my dear friend, please do. The student went to the board. He put 2 commas only. The teacher, comma, said the student is a fool. The teacher is a fool, said the student like that. The meaning totally changed. So that is the power of communication. When the communication is, the meaning is somewhat created technically. See, when the teacher writes, the teacher says student is fool, you think that it is just normal communication. But this fellow is applying his brain, IQ level, and simply introducing 2 commas, and thereby we got different meaning, technical meaning out of it. When I was working in ONGC, a Sardaji, of course this joke you got it on the other day, Teachers' Day, through Professor Raju in a different way, but really it happened in my life. The Sardaji sent one leave letter to me. Sir, please grant me to go to my hometown to sell my property with my wife. I called the Sardaji. My dear friend, you want to sell your wife? Then what nonsense you are talking, sir? I said, my dear friend, I am not talking any nonsense. I am talking your nonsense with sense. Then I called another Sardaji. See, please read this and convey what is the meaning. Then he said, sir, he has written very correctly. What he has written? He has written like that. Please grant me 5 days leave to go to hometown to sell my property with my wife. He also could not make out what is the meaning of it. Then I called another Punjabi guy. He read it. Then he said, Sardaji, you did a foolish thing. You wanted to convey that you want to sell your wife. Are you not happy with your wife? Then the Sardaji said, sorry, I have not written. Then he was trying to explain to that fellow. Then immediately his answer was something different. Okay, no problem, sir. You please cut that portion, my wife. Grant me leave. So he was not seriously thinking about it. So the technical meaning he could not digest. Simple communication only, but technically it means some other thing. There was one very good mathematics professor when I was studying, and he used to communicate wonderfully. Whenever he starts writing on the board, he will be going on doing mathematics. He will not look at the back, but he has got wonderful, he was a very orthodox man, Panchakacham, turban, etc. He was having wonderful inferential analysis. He will say, my dear friends, this line is roaring at the back. Its verticality will be turned into horizontality if I observe that line. See the beauty of the language. He is conveying wonderful technical meaning through communication. And you may be knowing there was a famous Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. His name was Annadurai. Annadurai was in meeting with foreign delegates. At the time, there was a talk something about unity. Then he said, see, unity is very good in India, like that. Annadurai was mentioning. Then those people, you are always talking about unity in India, but always every state, among the states, they are all fighting. Can you define what is unity? Then immediately Annadurai said, our unity can be defined. Our union is nothing but onion. Then everybody laughed at him. What do you mean by that? Are you cutting joke here or seriously talking? Then Annadurai said, my dear friend, I am not cutting joke, very seriously I am telling. What is onion? You remove the first leaf, again it is thickened. You remove second, again it is thickened. So till last moment you find, people may be fighting, but unity is there. So that is our onion. That onion is nothing but our union. Like that, he explained. So this is the beauty of communication, technical communication. So technical communication is effective tool for success. Look at this. So most of this, I am going to talk slightly communication in gentle way, and then communication engineering, and then the third phase is nothing but documentation. How to make documentation in a good way. If you look at that, real technical communication, both the children, they're all small kids, no language, but they are able to communicate something. So this is the beauty. So the communication starts from the time of birth of any child. You look at this, you can easily make out that when two people are sitting like this, absolutely there can't be any technical communication. My dear friend, you may be knowing that in Japan country, when two people are sitting like this, they are supposed to be excellent friends. Excellent friends. When two people are not talking, there is no news, there is no politics. That is the beauty of it. But in general, when two people are sitting like this, there is no technical communication. The communication has got 4 stages, namely the spoken word, visual images, written and body language. It is nothing but our simple. The communication, you can put it in the form of a block diagram in computer science language. The sender and then receiver. And then with the help of the feedback, you can do re-engineering. I'll come to this later. It has got some interesting talk over. Whenever any technical communication, if you find that 70% is totally misinterpreted, misunderstood by the people. A successful technical communication will be verbal, written and non-verbal. Now verbal, in the case of that, face-to-face situation, more personal form and participation, that is interactive, it should be interactive. Now positive technical communication. If you look at, see, always when you are talking about the positive side of the other person, you will be worshipped. You can achieve anything. I had the opportunity of working with the great Abdul Kalam, and when I was in Anna University, he used to come to my room. Of course, some 20 years difference between Abdul Kalam and myself. Today I am around 61 plus. I just say, Kalamji, why are you? You could have called me, I could have come to your room. No, my dear, when I want something from you, I have to come to you, that is my policy. Then he said, instead of reducing our ego, if you satisfy others' ego, you will be more successful. That is what the child is telling. Oh, you look very beautiful. Automatically the other child is giving the chocolate to this child. Now interaction, it is exactly like playing this game. The communication, it should be to and fro, interaction. This is nothing but your body expression. Whereas Bharatanatyam or Kuchipudi, they are not talking, just through the dancing, the body language, the expression, just like the famous actors like Shivaji Ganesan or MGR or Rajkumar, so and so forth. You find through the body language they could attract the people. That is a part of communication. A positive verbal, it is nothing but eye contact, straight focus, soft focus with a pleasing noun. This lady is very, very popular, you all know. Why she was very popular? Because she was very warm, inviting, and smiling. Always anybody who is looking at her, you get a very pleasant feeling. Whatever the bad mood you are having, everything will go away. You get always a pleasant feeling. The counseling with human touch. This is very, very important, particularly for the faculty member. I would like to share one of my experiences in life. I was working in SRM Easwari Engineering College as a dean in the year 2006. At the time I was taking class for MTech. In the MTech class, there was one girl by name Renuga. That girl, she used to get very good marks. First test she got 90 because it's a very, very interesting example. And my dear friends, you are all experienced faculty members. I am not teaching here. I am just sharing my own experience of 38 years. And furthermore, God has given me rebirth, so I am able to stand before you. Because you people know that 1.5 years back I had open heart surgery. So, just to share more, and in turn, you people can also share these things to your people, your own class students, or when you deliver something guest talk in other places, it will be useful. So, I am just sharing this case study. The counseling is very, very important, particularly for faculty members. See, when I was principal of the college, the parents, they used to say, sir, I have got only one daughter, whether she will be safe in the hostel. I said, my dear friend, you got only one daughter, but all daughters studying here, they are all my daughters, don't worry. So peacefully they go back. Anyway, coming to point the Reese said, the Renuga, she used to get always 97, 98% in the test. And she came to me suddenly, I was sitting in the third floor, sir, when I jump from here, whether I will commit suicide or not, she asked me. I asked her, why you are asking this particular question? Sir, you please tell me the answer. See, my dear friend, this test you have got only 32 marks. The last test you got 98 marks. Your father is very well big, that is big shot. Your mother is working as a deputy general manager in Reserve Bank of India. You got a esteem car, you got a driver, you got a home theatre, and they are my close family friend also. So I know all the details. You are the only child. Why you are having this type of feeling of committing suicide? Sir, I have got everything, but I am lacking one thing. What is that? Sir, I am hardly seeing my father. I am hardly seeing my mummy. Early morning she is cooking everything, putting in fridge. She is asking me to reheat, heat and go. And late night she comes. Okay, don't worry. This is your problem. I will solve your problem. Please give me 1 week time. If I am unable to solve this problem, you need not commit suicide. I will commit suicide, like that. I made a challenge. Then she said, okay sir, I will give you 1 week time. So at least 1 week guarantee. Peacefully she will not commit suicide. Then what I did, next day I called that Gupta ji. That Gupta ji said, my dear sir, I am a big wig. Mostly I am traveling this country to that country and making money. Because I have a lot of money, I got a good wife. Because I got a good wife, I got a child. I am particular to earn. Then I thought, Gupta ji, my dear friend, I can't change you, please go back. Then I called her mummy. Then I told, see, your daughter will commit suicide in the campus. Sir, what nonsense you are talking? No, I am talking her nonsense with sense. You are now 55, why don't you take VRS, give her company. Now she is doing MTech first year. Another 2 years she will be wedded with somebody. Later on you are going to have a parting feeling with her. And why didn't they give company? You can take VRS. Money wise, you are well off. Sir, you may be my friend, but you can't advise me to take VRS like that, she said. Then I said, if that is the case, so up to that I was very patient. These are all part of communication I am sharing you, and also that's counseling method. Then my dear friend, then there is no other go except giving TC to that girl. Because I don't want her to commit suicide in this campus, because college name will be affected. Then she looked at me, she went back. The next day, I know that magic will work. She came to me, very happily said, sir, I submitted my VRS application. this will be cleared this month end. Then after 1 month, the child Renuka was taking some ice cream with some more friends. I called her. I know that already she got her mummy with her and she got 99%. I called her, see, when are you going to give me time to commit suicide? No sir, I am happy, I am with my mummy. My problem is solved. Now, I thought my counseling is over with this girl. It has not stopped with this way. After 1.5 years, I went to Sharjah and I got one invitation from her that she is going to be wedded, etc. like that. Then she went to States. One fine morning, I get a mail. Sir, again I want to commit suicide. See, this is, after sales operation, after sales customer satisfaction. I was wondering, why you want to commit suicide? Sir, I got wedded very well. The guy is very good and he was happy with me. We had good time. But after 1 month, his leave exhausted. I am alone now. I am getting bored, what to do? Then I told her, okay, you go to nearby university, get application for MS, send it to me, I will recommend. She got financial aid for PhD, she did PhD, etc. So fine. Then later on she got, I think 2 kids, etc. like that. Then one fine morning, she sent another mail. Luckily this time, really, no such this type of danger zone for me. She sent a mail, sir, whatever you did, I am doing the same thing to my children here. That is what. So this is the beauty of counsel. So technical communication should involve participation by the participants. I am sharing certain real case studies with you because you all have come after lunch and you should not get